Hey guys, back again with 2 wigs this time. 2 headband wigs I picked up from AliExpress. If you guys want to know more information about these 2 cute units, then stay tuned. Alright, here we go. So I picked up these 2 units from AliExpress. All the information, store information, hair link will be in the description box. So this one is a short kinky texture. I'll put the inch right here at the bottom. So this one is from AliExpress. So as you can see, the band and the way the band is in the back is a little different than what you're used to. This is a wig from China. So I would say this wig is big head or medium head friendly, more like big head friendly. It does have one long comb in the front. It does not have Velcro in the back. It's just one elastic band. One con, it doesn't get too tight. So yeah, this is me applying it. One comb in the front and one comb in the back is very simple. This band across the top is pretty thick. It is a cotton, so it is on the thicker side. That's one thing I can say is different. It's elastic, but it's cotton. So it's not like a polyester. So it does feel very secure, but I wish it had just the added security in the back. If I didn't want to use the combs, I can just use the Velcro to make it tight in the back. But with this one, you don't have that. So it is a lot of band to work with. As you can see, I pushed the band over the hair. And please ignore the fact that I don't have a lot of edges out. That's not normally how I will wear this wig, but I'll get into that later. So check out this texture. It is super kinky. It has not been washed. Nothing has been added to it. And it does look like my real hair. It does look like kinky, you know, maybe relaxed, but still on the kinky side, like Tex-Lax, like textured, relaxed hair. And it's very, very cute. Just gonna throw on this tan headband I also got from Amazon. And it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure you guys have seen a ton of headband wig reviews, but this one I just wanted to show you that the band can be a little thick. You know, with these affordable units, you have to compromise on something. So it does take a little bit more to cover the band, but overall it's cute. I wouldn't wear this unit down just because it's a little short. But you can definitely style it, as you guys seen in other videos, half up, half down. I would do more of a ponytail, half up, half down with this one, just so it can cover the tracks in the back. So of course, when it's up in a bun, there's no lace back there to make it look like scalp. So the ponytail can kind of cover that part. And like you see, it's a lot of band to work with this unit. It's a cheap unit. You're gonna have to compromise somewhere, but overall, it's really, really cute. I did have a little bit of edges left out. You can definitely leave out more and push the wig back a little bit further. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks if you do want to kind of take pictures with it in a bun at the top. It's cute, but like I said, you can see tracks in the back. I don't show you that part. I should have turned around. But, you know, I think it's only cute for pictures. And like I said, you'll have to hide that black band a little bit more. But guys, like, this wig was under $60, so can't ask for much. Now, all up in a bun is definitely doable. So all up in a ponytail is doable too, but it's a little short. You want a little bit more hang time when you put it all up in a ponytail. But the top bun is cute. It doesn't show any tracks or anything like that. Of course, I did it like real quick. So, of course, you can do it a lot neater. But yeah, like I said, if that band shows, you can definitely tuck it under. That's not a big deal. This is perfect for the gym, quick grocery store run, quick anything. It's just so cute and simple. Alright, so on to this next wig. Like I said, the store information, hair length, and everything will be in the description box below. This one is almost the exact same construction, but to make it tighter, I kind of sewed that part together just to make it a little bit tighter because it was just too loose. This one does have a comb in the back and the comb in the front. Ooh, does it have adjustable straps? I didn't even notice. I'll let you guys know. But same old how to put it on, you guys. I know you've seen it. Very simple. Just like the other one, it does have a lot of band to work with, but it's okay. You guys might like that. You guys might not like to put the little other headbands on all the time. This is definitely throw on and go. So as you can see, I have had this unit for a while, and I actually did cut this unit into more of like a bob style. So I'm going to be doing the green headband. I got a pack of these headbands, like 12 for $8.99 on Amazon. I love Amazon. And I'm using my trusty EBIN edge control. Get it from any hair store. It is amazing. And just making my little baby hair a little bit more pronounced, a little bit silky smooth for the video. And like I said, that band is going to be the thing that you have to compromise on and hide. But like I said, this is under $60, guys. So I'm using my steam flat iron from Amazon. The steam option was not on here, but here is the result. Like I said, I did cut this wig. It was a 12-inch, I believe, but I cut it into a bob. It is super cute, super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 wig tutorials and reviews. Check out the link below in the description box and all the information. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.